In Houston, where the weather fluctuates from scorching summers to cool winters, maintaining an energy-efficient home is more important than ever. One of the most effective ways to improve your home's energy efficiency is through window replacement. While the initial investment might seem significant, the long-term savings and comfort benefits make it a worthwhile upgrade. Here's why replacing your windows can make a huge difference in your home's energy efficiency in Houston. Reduced energy bills. The most immediate and noticeable benefit of replacing windows is the reduction in your energy bills. Old windows, especially those that are single-paned or poorly sealed, can let warm air escape in winter and cool air leak out in summer. This forces your HVAC system to work overtime, leading to higher energy consumption and utility costs. By installing energy-efficient, double or triple-paned windows, you create a better insulated environment inside your home. These windows trap air between the panes, serving as a barrier that prevents heat from transferring. In Houston's hot summers, this means your air conditioning system won't have to work as hard to keep your home cool, and in the winter, it helps to keep the heat inside. As a result, you'll notice a drop in your monthly utility bills. Improved comfort and consistent temperature. Houston's weather can be unpredictable, with extreme temperatures in both summer and winter. Old or inefficient windows can make it difficult to maintain a consistent indoor temperature, leaving certain areas of your home too hot or too cold. New energy-efficient windows are designed to minimize drafts and prevent hot spots near windows, leading to a more comfortable living environment year-round. The improved insulation properties of modern windows also reduce the occurrence of condensation and fogging, which can not only disrupt your comfort but also damage the window frames and surrounding walls. With properly installed energy-efficient windows, you can expect a more consistent and pleasant indoor climate. Enhanced home value. When it comes to home improvement, few upgrades offer as high a return on investment as window replacement. New windows are a highly visible feature, and prospective homebuyers are often drawn to homes that feature modern, energy-efficient windows. This investment in your home not only boosts curb appeal but also makes your property more attractive to buyers who are concerned about future energy costs. Additionally, in a climate like Houston's, homes with high-efficiency windows stand out, as energy efficiency is an important consideration for many homeowners. Replacing your windows is an upgrade that adds both immediate and long-term value to your home, helping you recoup the costs when it's time to sell. Noise reduction. Houston is a vibrant city, but with that vibrancy can come unwanted noise, whether from traffic, construction, or neighbors. Energy-efficient windows are often designed with soundproofing capabilities, reducing the amount of outside noise that enters your home. This is especially valuable for homes located near busy streets, airports, or other noisy areas. The added insulation from noise not only improves your comfort but also makes your home feel more peaceful and serene. You can enjoy quiet moments indoors, even if the city outside is bustling. UV protection for your interior. Another significant advantage of window replacement is the UV protection that modern windows offer. UV rays from the sun can fade and damage your furniture, carpets, artwork, and flooring over time. Energy-efficient windows are often coated with a special film that blocks harmful UV rays, protecting your belongings from fading and deterioration. This added layer of protection helps to preserve the aesthetic appeal and longevity of your interior furnishings, saving you money on replacements and repairs. Environmental impact. Energy efficiency is not just about saving money, it's also about being environmentally responsible. By reducing the amount of energy your home consumes, you lower your carbon footprint. Less energy consumption means fewer greenhouse gas emissions, contributing to a healthier planet. In Houston, where energy demands are high due to the hot climate, reducing energy usage is a crucial step in helping the environment. Replacing old windows with energy-efficient models is a small change that can have a big impact on reducing your overall environmental impact. Tax incentives and rebates. Finally, replacing your windows in Houston may qualify you for various tax incentives and rebates. The federal government and many local utility companies offer programs to encourage homeowners to make energy-efficient upgrades. These incentives can help offset the initial cost of replacing your windows, making the investment even more affordable. Conclusion. Window replacement is one of the most effective ways to boost your home's energy efficiency, reduce your utility bills, and enhance your overall comfort. In Houston's unique climate, energy-efficient windows offer many advantages, from reducing your carbon footprint to improving your home's market value. Whether you're looking to save money, enhance comfort, or protect your home's interiors, replacing old windows is a smart, long-term investment.